Hi everybody, this is FurbyFan 2004 and today we are going to be playing 6th grade learning games. It has a total of 18 games, so let's check it out. Here's the setting.
Unlock backgrounds by playing games.
Come on. Turn off the music. Let's check them out. We have math, learning, and science. We have probabilities and statistics. In math, we have probability and statistics, number sense, geometry, consumer math, algebra, and rounding. In language, we have synonyms and antonyms, vocabulary, spelling, reading, word memory, and the subject-verb agreement. In science, we have the laws of motion, circuits, the periodic table, the space exploration, biology, and atoms. So I'm gonna make sure I get everything set up. So hang on. Let's play. Got everything set up.
What is the probability the spinner might stop on the color blue?
3 to 8.
Correct. Good job. What is the probability the spinner might stop on the color red?
Half.
Way to go! Find the range of these numbers. Try again.
No.
Find the median of these numbers. Well done.
12.
Find the mode of these numbers. Well done.
Now let's go. I earned 4. Let's kill the pirates and break stuff. Slow the men down. No. Let's play again.
You unlocked a new background. Find the range of these numbers. So close! Find the median of these numbers. Nice! Find the range of these numbers. Almost!
Let's try again.
What is the probability the spinner might stop on the color green? Good job! What is the probability the spinner might stop on the color green? Nice! Find the median of these numbers. Try again.
Nope. That's okay.
Find the range of these numbers. So close! Find the mode of these numbers. Not quite.
Jolly Roger! Arr!
Find the median of these numbers. So close!
Let's try and answer all of them correctly.
Find the mode of these numbers. Good job! Find the median of these numbers.
Median.
Correct! Good job! Find the mode of these numbers. Well done! What is the probability the spinner might stop on the color red? Yes! Way to go! Find the median of these numbers. Good job!
Yes. All of them answered correctly. Time to stop these pirates.
Arr! Arr! Arr!
We stopped the pirates, though. Next is synonyms and antonyms.
Listen to the directions and slice the correct candy. Slice the synonyms of chuckle, laugh, chortle, snicker, synonyms of deceitful, untrustworthy, sneaky, duplicitous, synonyms of huge, immense, colossal, enormous. Synonyms of dense, hefty, heavy, thick.
Combo. Get a two candy combo.
Synonyms of probe, hunt. Not quite. Antonyms of polite,
The opposite, like rude.
cruel, mean, callous, antonyms of silent, boisterous, almost. Pick a new reward. Antonyms of dark, dazzling, bright, shiny. Antonyms of exit, access, enter, infiltrate,
Let's do one more.
synonyms of man, male, boy, guy.
Let's do one more.
Antonyms of barren, moist, wet, soaked.
Now for the laws of motion.
Tap the asteroid to apply force. The asteroid never stops because no outside forces are acting on it. Tap the balloon to push it to the right. The balloon stops moving because two outside forces are working on it, gravity and friction. The balloon stops moving. Tap the asteroids to apply force. The asteroids have the same amount of force applied, but their mass changes the acceleration. Tap the asteroids multiple times to keep applying force. The more force applied to the asteroids, the faster they go. Tap the left asteroid to apply force. When the asteroids collide, they both experience forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Good job! Almost. Keep trying. Way to go! Almost. Try again. You're right. Tap the asteroid.
Now for number sense. This is Flappy Bird, which is the most infuriating and frustrating game ever in the planet. But good thing this is much, much easier. Just gotta make sure they don't hit the stalactites and stalagmites. See how far I can go.
What fraction does the number line show? Right!
It's game over if you get a question incorrect.
Use absolute values to solve this equation. So close!
See? Really? Good thing this is a lot less easier. But you still have to be careful.
Find the greatest common factor. Keep trying!
Nope. Good thing it's on easy. It's not too hard at all.
What fraction does the number line show? Awesome!
A quarter.
What is this Roman numeral equal to?
Hmm.
Not quite.
It's 74.
Use absolute values to solve this equation. Correct! What fraction does the number line show? Yes! Way to go!
3/4.
What fraction does the number line show? Way to go! Use absolute values to solve this equation. Correct! Good job!
No. Almost. Phew, that was close.
Use absolute values to solve this equation. Yes! Way to go! fraction does the number line show?
Easy.
You're right. What fraction does the number line show? Good job.
2/3.
What fraction does the number line show? Use absolute values to solve this equation. Nice! Find the greatest common factor. Good job!
2.
What is this Roman numeral equal to?
26.
Awesome!
XXVI is 26. 50. Yes. At least I got 50.
You've earned a new reward.
A dump truck. Now for vocabulary.
The castle's under attack. Protect it by matching the definition to the correct word. Correct. Keep trying. Correct. Almost. Keep trying. Awesome. Awesome. Not quite. Correct. Not quite. Right. So close. Not quite. Correct. Right. Almost. Try again. Nice. Nice. Awesome. Nice. Right. So close. Not quite. Nice. Correct. Nice. Keep trying. Correct.
2 of these words have intimidate.
Nice.
Innovation.
Almost. Keep trying. Correct.
Motivate.
Awesome.
Now let's see what happens when they attack the castle.
Keep trying. So close. Not quite. Try again.
Now for a circuit.
Build a circuit where 2 light bulbs are dimly lit. You're right. Awesome. Drag the words to the correct definition. Switch. Switch. Current. Bulb. Way to go! You're right. Pick a new reward.
A pencil.
Build a circuit where no bulbs light up. Way to go! Almost. Try again. Keep trying. Drag the words to the correct definition. Battery. Circuit. Load. Circuit. Correct. Not quite. So correct. Close. Good job. Build a circuit where 1 light bulb is fully lit.
No.
Right. Nice. Drag the words to the correct definition. LED. Bulb. Load. You're right. Good job.
Copper.
Build a circuit that burns out a light bulb. Good job. Not quite. Almost. Good job.
Electric energy is a Chevy Volt. A Chevy Volt.
Drag the words to the correct definition. Current. Load. Switch. Well done. So close. Try again. So way to go. Build a circuit where 1 light bulb is fully lit. Good job. You've earned a new reward. Keep trying. Right. Drag the words to the correct definition. Open circuit. Open circuit. Battery. Circuit. Right. Correct. Good job.
Switch. Light switch. I have a light switch.
Build a circuit where no bulbs light up. You're right. Try again. Right. Drag the words to the correct definition. Wire, circuit, conductor. Yes, way to go! Well done! Build a circuit where one light bulb is fully lit.
I think that's enough for circuits. Now for geometry.
Answer questions to go faster. Pick your car. 3, 2, 1, race! Build a circuit where one light bulb is fully lit. Answer questions to
Pick
go
your
faster.
car.
3, 2, 1. Answer questions to go
Pick your
faster. 3, 2, 1. Race! Are these angles complementary, supplementary, or neither? These angles are complementary. Are these angles complementary, supplementary, or neither? These angles are complementary. Are these two shapes congruent? These shapes are not congruent. Are these two shapes congruent? These shapes are congruent. Are these two shapes congruent? These shapes are not congruent. Tap on the symmetric shape. No, that shape is not symmetric. Keep trying. 3, 2, 1, race! What is the area of this shape? Keep trying. Tap on the symmetric shape. No, that shape is not symmetric. Are these two shapes congruent? These shapes are congruent. Are these two shapes congruent? These shapes are not congruent. Are these two shapes congruent? These shapes are congruent. Are these two shapes congruent? These shapes are congruent. You win a new reward.
Football.
3, 2, 1, race!
Wow!
angles complementary, supplementary, or neither? These angles are supplementary. Tap on the symmetric shape. Yes, that shape is symmetric.
Hearts are symmetric. Circles. Hearts and circles are symmetric.
Are these angles complementary, supplementary? These angles are complementary. Tap on the symmetric shape. Yes, that shape is symmetric. Are these two shapes congruent? These shapes are not congruent. What is the area of this shape? Nice!
15 square units.
Three, two, one, race! Tap on the symmetric shape. Yes, that shape is symmetric.
Stars are symmetric.
Tap on the symmetric shape. Yes, that shape is symmetric. Are these angles complementary, supplementary, or neither? These angles are complementary. What is the area of this shape? Correct. Good job.
28 square units for that one.
What is the area of this shape? So close. Tap on the symmetric shape. No, that shape is not symmetric.
Now let's do spelling with 10 words.
Spell the word location.
L-O-C-A-T-I-O-N.
L-O-C-A-T-I-O-N. Location. Spell the word ingenious.
Ingenious.
I-N-G-E-N-I-O-U-S. Ingenious. Spell the word search.
S-E-A-R-C-H.
S-E-A-R-C-H. Search. Spell the word misplace.
M-I-S-P-L-A-C-E.
M-I-S-P-L-A-C-E. Spell the word ingenious.
Let's try a different one.
INGENIOUS. Ingenious. Spell the word visit.
VISIT.
VISIT. Visit. You unlocked a new background. Spell the word east.
EAST.
EAST. East. Spell the word laugh. 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 Spell the word rake.
RAKE.
RAKE. Rake. Spell the word stray.
Stray. STRAY.
STRAY. Stray. Spell the word asteroid. 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 Spell the word thankful. 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 Spell the word mouse. 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 Spell the word diverse. 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 Spell the word astound. 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 Spell the word chat. 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 Spell the word calm. 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 Spell the word sketchy. SKETCHY. Sketchy.
Now for the periodic table.
Fill in the missing elements on this part of the periodic table.
Here's help. And here's the periodic table of every element.
Fluorine. Fluorine. Neon. Neon. Chlorine. Fluorine. Nice!
It's cool.
Pick a new reward. What is the name of this element? Palladium. Nice! What is the symbol for this element? Not quite. 10. Nice! What is the atomic number of this element? Almost. Try again. Oxygen. Awesome! What is the atomic mass of this element? Almost. Try again. Not quite. Protactinium. Nice!
Protactinium.
Fill in the missing elements on this part of the periodic table. Sodium. Potassium. Calcium. Beryllium. Nice! What is the name of this element? Chlorine.
That's
awesome.
What swimming pools have.
What is the symbol for this element? Not quite. Gold. Correct. What is the atomic number of this element? Not quite. Krypton. Nice! What is the atomic mass of this element?
Nobelium.
Not quite. Nobelium. Nice! Fill in the missing elements on this part of the periodic table. Mercury.
The closest planet to the sun.
Mercury. 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 Cadmium. Platinum. Iridium. Ruthenium. Right! What is the name of this element? Zirconium. Nice! What is the symbol for this element? Radium. Correct! What is the atomic number of this element? Try again. Try again. So close. Rutherfordium. Right! You've earned a new reward. What is the atomic mass of this element? Keep trying.
Yttrium.
Awesome! Fill in the missing elements on this part of the periodic table. Fluorine, oxygen, argon, fluorine, nitrogen, boron. Correct! What is the name of this element? Rhenium. Awesome! What is the symbol for this element? Indium. Right!
Indium. Right. Get out of here.
What is the atomic number of this element? Unseptium. Correct! What is the atomic mass of this element?
That's enough the periodic table now. Now for consumer math.
So close! Awesome!
Do like 10 of these.
Keep trying. Awesome! So close! Keep trying. So close! So close! Right! Almost! Almost! Try again. Almost! So close! Nice! Almost! Almost! So close! Nice! Almost! Almost! Not quite! Keep trying! Awesome! So close! So close! Try again! Keep trying! Correct!
75% discount.
Try again! Not quite! Right! Pick a new reward. So close! Not quite! So close! Awesome!
Let's do some reading. There are 8 stories. George Washington, Association Football, Apollo 11, Venus, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, Volcano, Rome, and bees. Let's start off with George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States and commander-in-chief of the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War, and one of the founding fathers of the United States. He presided over the convention that drafted the Constitution, which replaced the Articles of Confederation and established the position of president. Washington was elected president as the unanimous choice of the electors in 1788, and he served 2 terms in office. He oversaw the creation of a strong, well-financed national government that maintained neutrality neutrality in the wars raging in Europe, suppressed rebellion, and won acceptance among Americans of all types. His leadership style established many forces and rituals of government that have been used once, such as using a cabinet system and delivering an inaugural address. Further, the peaceful transition for his presidency to the president of John Adams established a tradition that continues into the 21st century. Washington was hailed as father of his country even during his lifetime.
Correct. Well done. Try again. Yes, way to go. Awesome. You're right.
Now for association football. Association football, commonly known as football or soccer, is a sport played between two teams of 11 players with a spherical ball. It is played by 250 million players in over 200 countries, making it the world's most popular sport. The game is played on a rectangular field with a goal at each end. The object of the game is to score by using any part of the body besides the arms and hands to get the football into the opposing goal. The goalkeepers are the only players allowed to touch the ball with their hands or arms while it is in play, and then only in their penalty area. Outfield players must only use their feet or strike to pass the ball, but may use their head or torso to strike the ball instead. The team that scores the most goals by the end of the match wins. If the score is tied at the end of the game, either a draw is declared or the game goes into extra time and or a penalty shootout, depending on the format of the competition. The laws of the game were originally codified. The laws of the game were originally codified in England by the Football Association in 1863. Association football is governed internationally by the International Federation of Association Football, or FIFA, which organizes a World Cup every 4 years.
Keep trying. Not quite. Correct. Good job. Awesome. Well done. Nice. You're right.
Now for Apollo 11. Apollo 11 was the space flight that landed the first humans on the moon, Americans Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, on July 20th, 1969. Armstrong became the first to step onto the lunar surface. Armstrong spent about 2.5 hours outside the spacecraft, Aldrin slightly less, and together they collected 47.5 or 21.5 kilograms of lunar material for return to Earth. As a third member of the mission, Michael Collins piloted the command spacecraft alone in lunar orbit until Armstrong and Aldrin returned to it just under a day later for a trip back to Earth. Launched by a Saturn V rocket from the Kennedy Space Center in Merritt Island, Florida, on June 16th, Apollo 11 was the fifth manned mission of NASA's Apollo program. The Apollo spacecraft had 3 parts: a command module, or CM, with a cabin for the 3 astronauts, which was only part which landed back to Earth, a service module, or SM, which supported the command module with propulsion, electrical power, oxygen, and water, and a lunar module, LM, for landing on the moon. After being sent towards the moon by Saturn V's upper stage, the astronauts separated the spacecraft from it and traveled for 3 days until they entered into lunar orbit. Armstrong and Aldrin then moved into the lunar module and landed in the Sea of Tranquility. They stayed a total of about 21.5 hours on the lunar surface. After lifting off in the upper part of the lunar module and rejoining Collins in the command module, they returned to Earth and landed in the Pacific Ocean on July 24th, 1969.
Correct. Good job. Correct. You're right. Correct. Good job. Good job.
Now for Venus, which is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting it every 224.7 Earth days. The planet is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. After the moon, it is the brightest natural object in the night sky. Venus reaches its maximum brightness shortly before sunrise or shortly after sunset, for which reason it has been referred to by ancient cultures as the morning star or evening star. Venus is a terrestrial planet and is sometimes called Earth's sister planet because of their similar size, gravity, and bulk composition. Venus is both the closest planet to Earth and the planet closest in size to Earth, but only a little smaller. However, it has also been shown to be very different from Earth in other respects. It has the densest atmosphere of the four terrestrial planets, consisting of more than 96% carbon dioxide. The atmospheric pressure at the planet's surface is 92 times that of Earth's, with a mean surface temperature of 735 K, which is 462 degrees Celsius or 860 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus is by far the hottest planet in the solar system, like Mercury. Venus is shrouded by an opaque layer of highly reflective clouds of sulfuric acid, preventing its surface from being seen from space in visible light. Venus may have possessed oceans in the past, but these would have vaporized as the temperature rose due to a runaway greenhouse effect. Venus's surface is a dry desertscape interspersed with slab-like rocks and periodically refreshed by volcanism.
Awesome. Right. Correct. Good job. You're right. Good job.
Now for Venus. Oh, we were right on Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus was a large predatory dinosaur from the Cretaceous period, 67 to 65.5 million years ago. It was a bipedal carnivore with a massive skull balanced by a long, heavy tail. Compared to the large and powerful hind limbs, its forelimbs were small. Get out of here. But powerful for their size. They had 2 clawed digits. There is discussion as to whether it was a hunter or a scavenger. Like most dominant meat eaters of today, such as lions and hyenas, Tyrannosaurus might have been both. It had a very strong jaw, and its bite power could snap the bones of other dinosaurs. More than 30 specimens of Tyrannosaurus Rex have been found. Some of them are nearly complete skeletons, and soft tissue and proteins have been reported in at least one of these specimens.
You're right. Correct. Good job. Not quite. Well done. Not quite. Good job. Correct. Good job. Pick a new reward.
Volcano. A volcano is an opening or rupture. A volcano is an opening or rupture in the surface or crust of the Earth or another planet, which allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from the magma chamber below the surface. Erupting volcanoes can pose in many hazards, not only not only in the immediate vicinity of the eruption. Volcanic ash can be a threat to aircraft in in particular those with jet engines. Large eruptions can affect temperature as ash and droplets of sulfuric acid obscure the sun and cool the Earth's lower atmosphere or or troposphere. However, they also absorb heat radiated up from the Earth, thereby warming the stratosphere. The most common perception the most common perception of a volcano of is of a conical mountain spewing lava and poisonous gases from a crater at its summit. This describes just one of many types of volcano, and the features of volcanoes are many more complicated. The structure and behavior of volcanoes depends on a number of factors. Some volcanoes have rugged peaks formed by lava domes rather than a summit crater, whereas other present landscape features such as massive plateaus.
So keep trying. Awesome. Way to go. Yes, way to go. Yes, way to go. Well done.
Now for Rome. Rome is a city and special commune in Italy. Rome is the capital of Italy and also one of the homonymous province and of the region of Lazio. With 2.8 million residents, it is also the country's largest and most populated commune and the fourth most populous city in the European Union by population within city limits. Between 3.2 and 3.8 million people live in the urban area, and 4,109 and 4,001,094 and 68 in Rome metropolitan area. The city is located in the central western portion of the Italian peninsula on the Tiber River. Rome is the only state in the world to contain it. Rome is the only city in the world to contain in its interior a whole state, the enclave of Vatican City. Rome's history spans more than 2,500 years since its legendary found in 753 BC. Rome is one of the oldest cities in Europe. It is referred to as the Eternal City, a notion expressed by ancient Roman poets and writers. In the ancient world, it was successively the capital city of the Roman Kingdom, the Roman Republic, and the Roman Empire, and is regarded as one of the most birthplaces of Western civilization.
Well done. Right. Nice. Try again. Well done. Nice.
Last but not least, bees. Bees are flying insects. Bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants, and are known for their role in pollination and for producing honey and beeswax. There are nearly 20,000 known species of bees in 7 to 9 recognized families, though many are undescribed and the actual number is probably higher. They are found on every country except Antarctica, in every habitat on the planet that contains insect-pollinated flowering plants. Bees are adapted for feeding on nectar and pollen, the formerly primarily as an energy source and the latter primarily for protein and other nutrients. Most pollen is used as food for their larvae. The be- the best known bee species is the European honeybee, which, as its name suggests, produces honey, as do a few other types of bees. Human management of this species is also known as beekeeping or apiculture.
Well done. Good job. Correct. Way to go. Way to go.
There we go. Next is space exploration.
Tap on the image that shows a rover. Rovers are a type of lander that can move around on wheels once it's touched down on a distant planet. This allows the rover to study multiple parts of a planet. Mars has had 4 different rovers land on it, and there are more on the way soon. Try again. Well done. Drag the words to the correct definition. Space station. Solar system. Atmosphere. Awesome. Keep trying. Tap on the image that shows a lander. A lander is a spacecraft designed to reach the surface of a planet and survive long enough to send data back to Earth. It can send pictures and conduct other experiments remotely. Pick a new reward. So close. Awesome.
Astronomer.
Drag the words to the correct definition. Light year.
Buzz Lightyear.
Astronaut.
To infinity and beyond.
Orbit. Well done. Keep trying. Almost. Try again.
Yuri Gagarin.
Tap on the image that shows a space station. A space station is a permanent habitat in outer space. Astronauts live and work there for a long time before returning back to Earth. The International Space Station pictured here is bigger than a soccer field and holds a crew between 3 and 6 people. Correct!
The Milky Way is beautiful.
Drag the words to the correct definition. Rover. Moon. Satellite. Awesome! Correct!
Voyager 1.
Tap on the image that shows a lander. Keep trying. A lander is a spacecraft designed to reach the surface of a planet and tap on the image that shows a tap on the image that shows a tap on the image that shows a space shuttle. The space shuttle was a reusable spacecraft in service between 1981 and 2011. It was able to transport people and cargo into Earth's orbit and then return back to the ground to be launched again. Try again. Good job.
Ooh.
Drag the words to the correct definition. Star. Star. Light year. Satellite. Well done. Tap on the image that shows an orbiter. An orbiter is a spacecraft designed to travel to a distant planet and enter orbit. It will not land on a planet. but instead studies it from afar with a variety of scientific instruments. Almost right! You unlocked a new background. Drag the words to the correct definition. Rocket, supernova, solar system. Yes! Way to go! You're right! Tap on the image that shows an observatory. An observatory spacecraft stays in one spot and observes distant targets. The Hubble Space Telescope is the most famous observatory and has expanded our knowledge of the universe. Tap on the image that shows a spacesuit. A spacesuit is required for humans to work in outer space or walk on the moon. Space is a vacuum with no air and is extremely cold. Without a spacesuit, humans would only survive for a few seconds. Tap on the image that shows a rocket. Rockets are what we use to get into space and then travel to other places. The Saturn V, pictured here, is the most powerful rocket ever built and is the rocket that landed astronauts on the moon. Tap on the image that shows
Algebra.
Aliens are attacking. Protect the astronaut by solving the algebra problem. Solve for X. Awesome! What is this equation equal to? Right! Solve for X. Almost right! What is this equation equal to? Almost. Try again. Almost. Awesome. Simplify this equation. Keep trying. Not quite. Keep trying. Correct. Simplify this equation. Almost. Keep trying. Correct. Solve for X. Try again. Almost. Try again. Correct. Solve for X. Right. Simplify this equation. Awesome! You're right! Tap on the image that shows an observatory. Aliens are attacking. Protect the astronaut by solving the algebra problem. What is this equation equal to? Keep trying. Correct. Simplify this equation. Right. What is this equation equal to? Not quite. Right. Simplify this equation.
So the aliens get the astronaut. See what happens. Just to screw them up. Now for the word memory.
Use clues to match the word under each card.
Host. Magnify and flexible. Biotic and contaminate. Flexible. Mend. Appendix. Biotic. Magnify.
Way to go! Pick a new reward.
Let's do one more. Peer. Empathy. Boycott. Explain. Ferocious. Taboo, which is the name of a game. Chamber. Substance.
Way to go!
Now for biology.
Put the classifications in order from most specific to most broad. Phylum. Class. Kingdom. Family. 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 Phylum. Genus. Order. Genus. Phylum. Order. Class. Phylum. Order. Phylum. 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 Order. Order. Class. Correct.
Like all the colors.
Correct.
And evolution varies.
Read the scenario and pick which trait would allow the organism to thrive through natural selection. Almost.
Keep trying.
Not quite.
Well done.
Complete the missing steps in the evolution of these animals. Protists. Cartilaginous fish. Mammal. Mammal. Bird. Awesome!
Almost.
Way to go!
Charles Darwin.
Put the classifications in order from most specific to most broad. Put the classifications in order from... Not quite.
Try again.
Read the scenario and pick which trait would allow the organism
Try
to
again.
thrive
Way
in
to
natural
go.
selection. Complete the missing steps in the evolution of these animals. Reptile. Arthropod. Bird. Mammal. Right.
Keep trying.
Yes. Way to go. Put the classifications in order from most
Family,
specific
kingdom,
to most broad. Genus,
kingdom,
genus, order, phylum, genus, class, class, genus, order, family, family, genus, order, genus, 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 order, genus, 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 order, family, order. Awesome! You've earned a new reward. Yes, way to go!
Extinct is when an entire species dies off.
Which trait will allow them to thrive? Way to go!
Let's try.
Complete the missing steps in the evolution of these mollusks. Mollusk.
Oh well. Now for rounding.
Tap on the screen to move and capture the correct numbers, but be sure to avoid the robots. Round this number to the nearest tenth. The nearest tenth. Try again.
Make sure the robots don't go near me. Say again to.
Round this number to the nearest whole number. The nearest whole number. The nearest whole number. The nearest whole number. Try again. Round this number to the nearest hundredth. Try again. Round this number to the nearest hundredth. Try again.
Oh well. Now for the subject-verb agreement.
Read the subject and pop all the balloons where there is subject-verb agreement. Right.
It'll just make buzzing noises if I keep tapping them.
Right. Well done. You're right. Correct. Good job. Tap on the screen. Round this number to the nearest hundredth.
Now, last but not least, atom.
Label the parts of an atom. Electron. 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 An electron is a negatively charged particle that spins around the outside of the nucleus. Nucleus. The nucleus is at the center of an atom and is made up of the protons and neutrons. Proton. 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 A proton is a positively charged particle that is located at the center of an atom. Neutron.
Jimmy Neutron.
A neutron doesn't have any charge. The number of neutrons affects the mass and radioactivity of an atom. You've earned a new reward. Not quite. Nice.
Proton.
Drag the words to the correct definition. Nucleus, isotope, Isotope. Ion.
Saturn ion.
Way to go! Try again.
Not quite.
Not quite.
Correct. Good job. Label the parts of an atom. Nucleus. The nucleus is at the center of an atom and is made up of the protons and neutrons. Proton. Neutron. A neutron doesn't have any charge. The number of neutrons affects the mass and radioactivity of an atom. Electron. Proton. A proton is a positively charged particle that is located at the center of an atom. An electron is a negatively charged particle that spins around the outside of the nucleus.
Not quite.
Keep trying.
Correct.
Good job. Drag the words to the correct definition. Mass number. Mass number. Protons. Isotope.
You're right. Try again.
Way to go. Label the parts of an atom.
I love this game. I love this game. Pretty nice. And guys, if you want to see more of my furry videos and inventory car videos, you can click the box that come up in the video below. Please comment to my channel for more furry videos and inventory car videos. This is me, Furby Fan 2004, signing off. See you later!